huhulihin, nag-aaway talaga. Oh, wow. Ang laki. Wow, look at that. That's a good size. Jackpot! I think jackpot ngayon si Maria Lasset. Actually, full moon kasi last night. I think when it's full moon, napapahuli ko talaga yung mga isda and crabby. Kaya talaga perfect na perfect na nanghuli tayo ngayon ng crab.
Tuwang.
Just have to keep moving and moving. See? At least, hindi ko
Ang kala niya sinususubuan siya sa papang. Akala mo sa papang kumakain na.
And if you are going to ask what Sylvester Abdo is actually really enjoying her this bird center dahil it's low tide and habang ako ay nangunguha ng crab, it's always next to us while we keep moving. Actually, napakataas ko talaga ang hunasan dito. At least you have to walk more than 500 meters to go around. And yes, Sylvester have so much fun here talaga. That's for you, Sylvester. Here we go. Doesn't have a claw. Yeah, this is for you.
Dahil, busa na.
I don't think so. He doesn't have any claw. Yeah, this is for you.
Busa din.
Yay! Oh, Dad.
Pagkakan ng plato.
Oh, nasa Davao.
Dahil kasat sa Davao yan.
Yung sa ibang bansa ata.
So, sometimes nagtatago yan sila
Dito wala na yan.
Ay, nagkakansip na basa siguro.
Maglabasan yan.
Ipa mo.
Lumalayo mo yung galit ko. Oh. Look at that. You see that one? That it? Look. This is actually the best spot we ever been to catch blue swimmer crab. I mean, this is so amazing. Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sobrang effort just to catch crab. Oh. Got more.
Found the salad.
Ayaw nga yung salad tayo.
Look at that.
Sabi mo na ano.
David got bitten. Everyone bitten too.
Hindi anak, ito sa bata. Oh, sa bata to.
They ran away from me.
Iipot ang bata dito.
Nakatapak na.
Iipot ang baby dito. Kita lang nakaubos ini. Isa daw laga sa pakday. Yan na. Yan. Tira pa ng New Year to.
Buko pandan.
Buko panda. Sabi anak. Di ba kumain na kayo? Tikas ang ulo nyo na ka. Ano yung pagkakain kami, kakain din kayo. May oras kayo kumain mga anak. Kayo magpasaway. Ha? O yung buko salad sa ano, sa rep. Nung New Year pa. Yung Pasko. Nanigas na yun doon.
Ano meron ka pala?
Buko salad, ha? What salad, ha? Buko may, ano ba yun?
Salad?
May buko.
Nagayayong nga pa, hindi na masarap.
Maganda siya yung lapot-lapot.
Lang.
And look at that. It's just here. Oh.
Tapos akat ka na, ha?
One more. Wow. Look at that. They're all coming in here. That's crazy. This is like, parang nanaginip lang ako sa sobrang dami nila.
Ang gulay.
That's it.
Daming gulay, no?
Mm-mm.
Puro gulay. Baka puro karne tinira niya.
Gani. Ito ko ni ang. Ano ni ang? Ang po na.
Buster, do you like it
Ito.
here? Oh, wow. What are you doing? Dad's gonna try. Go, honey. Oh, I'm
Ano
getting
naman anak
cold.
mo?
I'm actually getting cold. It's a bit
Nakakatawan
windy
niya.
now and I'm wet.
Really hot and color, the same color as the blue.
Yeah, over here. Put it here. Good job. Oh, done. You did it. So guys, ito na po. Ganito po kadami ang ating lesson. And now, it's time to count. So, for me and David, we can catch 40 pieces of crab. So, I'm not sure kung this is more than 30. But let's just see. Ayan. Oh. Ganyan po siya kadami. Now, we gonna count. Oh, look at that. It's a big one. One. Ayan. Some is most close already. Two. And they all really, really good size. Three. Four. Oh, sabi. Ang dami na.
Damay na nga bahay. Bro.
30. Parang nakajakot si Marila dito sa Australia. 17,
Ba, Australia?
18, 19, 20, 21. Ah, look at this. Grabe, ang laki. Oh. 22, 23, 24. Wow, wow, wow. This is the biggest one. 25,
Oh, lang yan.
Hmm.
27, 28. Oh,
Hmm.
this is my 29,
Hmm.
30, 31, 32, 33. Wala na. 33 pieces of crab! Ang dami. Tsaka, I don't know kung how many kilos po ito. Well, probably more
Nod,
than
be?
5 kilos ang bigat.
Nod, ikaw?
I suppose yung
Kain ng salad? Pakakainin nga.
Ayaw yan.
Ay, jambe. Pindot Netflix. Buka. Haba pa ang pangkasag na.
Buong na. Ano ko yun?
Gusto mo pa dahil? Gusto mo na ako.
So guys, we're going now.
Kain na sana doon.
For me,
Ah,
mini crab. Let's go, Sabater. We have a bag there. We're drinking water. Yeah, I know.
ang kulit mo, be. Saan?
The other one.
Ah,
I gave him the small one. He let it go down. Is it gonna be happy? Yeah. Oh. Look at all our footprints, Sylvester. Oh. Ang layo po ng nilakad namin. Nandun po doon yung car namin. I can't wait to go home. I'm so dirty. So guys, grabe. Naka-jackpot po kami ngayon. Sobrang daming nahuli ko crabs. Imagine, 37 crabs. At ang lalaki po talaga ng steak. Kaya super thankful po talaga ako. Today, I super the best day ever. Jackpot ni Marian natin ngayon. Come on, Sebastian. Diba? Yes. Just darling. What is it? It is. We have enough. We have so many, isn't it? Yeah, I know. We have enough na daw sabi ni Sylvester. So, I normally frozen my crab if I cook so many. Like the last time. Marami pa rin ako sa freezer. Ang layo po ng sasakyan.
Yung gina-freezer niya lang.
Yeah. So, ito yung problema lang guys. No? Ang daming crab dito. But you have to walk very
wala
far.
na mo, no? May naman tao dun.
Okay. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's good. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. On the way pala, pabalik namin, we got stuff from the fisheries to make sure po na tamang size ang kinuha namin. And if ever lumabag kami sa batas, ay pwede po kami makapagmulta ng $20,000 if ever kinuha po namin yung maliit or we catch crab more than 4 days na dapat yung limit na talaga namin ay 40.
Hindi ka
And of course,
basta-basta
we are very, very confident na we only catch
nasukat na.
37 pieces and they all good size. Kaya approve po kami sa fisheries. So guys, we're finally back.
Takante
So kanina yung check po sa crab namin
Gago.
sa fisheries. So sila po talaga ang
Ay, mga
nag-check.
isda
Either
yun.
yung kinukuha niyo po talaga ay
Malalaki
good
yun.
size.
Ah,
And of
may
course,
pinamasa-basa
kailangan
mga
talaga
ano.
yung limit
Sa atin
na
din nahuli.
Okay nga, dawat.
which is
Pag-
approve po kami. Everything our crab
Wala
is
nang
good size.
sukat-sukat.
And we caught 37 pieces, which is 20 for me and 20 for David, yung limit po, which is good po talaga tayo. I'm glad na so good size po talaga ang kinuha ko. Yung maliliit kasi binabalik ko. Now, ayan, nilinisan na po natin. Lilinisan natin dahil ilalagay ko po ito sa freezer ko. Ayan. Imagine no, kung bibilhin ko to dito, naku, sobrang mahal to. Mahal po ang kilo ng blue swimmer crab dito sa Australia, actually. So, since we have so many, actually, I have kababayan ko dito na kapitbahay lang po talaga namin. So, I'm going to share my crab sa ating kababayan. Dahil sobrang dami talaga. And of course, blessed po talaga tayo sa crab na yun. Dahil kung